Okay, so the bun's cooled now. It's a bit sticky, but that's because I put the sticky glaze on it. I'm just going to cut it up. I'm going to cut it all up like that, like a shop bought piece of bread. I'm just going to store it in a container so I can just take a slice when I want. Let's see how this does. Wow. That's the inside. Let's chop it up. Wow. It cuts really well. It's got the consistency of a really soft, almost like a sauri loaf, but not quite sticky. On the inside. If you wanted it to be even more sort of bread-like, more than cake or bun-like, then you just reduce the amount of fat. In fact, you could probably make this. You can make this easily with no fat at all. It'll still be soft and spongy, but you can make it with no fat. And that gives it more of a soft bread/bun-like consistency. This one's got about, I think it's got about 15 mils of oil. You can't make it with none. Wow. Looks like on the inside. Got it fully cool. Ooh. That's what it's come out like. That's pretty good.